how to use a toaster step by step. However you like to eat toast, I'm here to help you get it just right with a step-by-step guide on using a toaster. Every toaster has different features. There are some basic toasters with slots to hold the bread, a lever to start, and a dial for toast shade. But some toasters come with extra features like bagel or crumpet settings, defrost and reheat settings, and my favorite, a little bit longer setting. So how to use the toaster. The first step is to choose your bread. The type of bread makes a difference in texture, flavor, and even toasting time. Sourdough, rye, or brioche can bring different tastes and textures to your breakfast. And let's not forget about crumpets or even fruit toast. If you are after a crunch, a dense bread like wholemeal will hold up better at a higher heat. Step 2, you want to place the bread in the slots. Place the slices straight down in the slots for even toasting. And if your bread is a bit thicker or larger, check that it fits comfortably. You want that golden brown without squeezing the bread too tight. Next, select your settings. Play around with the dial to match your taste. A medium setting usually gives you a balanced crispness, while a lower setting is good for light toast results. But if you want more crunch, turn it up a notch. Now start toasting. Press the lever to let the toaster work its magic. Honestly, that smell of fresh toasted bread filling the room is one of life's little pleasures. Step 5, carefully remove your toast. Once it lifts up, quickly and gently put it straight out onto a plate. Or if you have smaller pieces, you can use the high lift function to raise the toast up higher and then remove it. And now all that's to be done is slather it with butter or a ripe avocado. As I mentioned, some toasters will let you defrost, reheat, and some even have settings for crumpets or bagels. To use these settings, place your bread into the toaster, push the lever down, and then select your setting. For more information on our toasters or to shop the toaster range, please have a look in the description below.